We're back. We're back, baby. Guys, it's been so long since I made a video like this where I show you the store, show you the revenue, show you the profits daily, but we're back. I remember when I was doing like my 25K month, I was there telling you guys, hey guys, look at my $100 day. Look at my $1,000 day. Look at my $2,000 day. So we're back. We're back to those videos because we're cooking up something. That's a huge spider, by the way, I just realized. Anyways, for those who've been following me, or for those who don't, go check out my winner for my 25K month. And I'll tell you right now that this product is in the same market. It targets the same audience, just a different product. It's actually a unique product. And the way I see it is maybe this market or maybe this audience could not. It's probably not like $1 million brand. But who cares? It's clearly worked for me because every time I launch this market, I just get the best results, and it just clearly works. So might as well just practice the cooking skills, gain experience, get capital, and practice the cooking skills for then later down the line maybe build $1 million brands with other products. But and to be honest, you never know. I literally just wake up every day and I just try my best, right? I don't try to assume what's going to happen in the future. Like maybe this might turn into, a brand that I can exit. I don't know. But I just try every day, right? And so let me show you. Hold on. So I'm going to show you yesterday. Yesterday, it's only been 2 days, but we're really cooking, though. So yesterday, we're at 362 in sales, right? And I only spent like $100, 110 maybe. But today we're cooking. Today we're fucking cooking. So today, let me see. Okay, today we're at 444 in sales, but it's only 11 a.m. And guess the best part. Look how much we just spent. Look on Facebook. This is today. We spent only $53. We're cooking. We're in the kitchen. We're in the kitchen cooking. And let me give you a few advice. So again, I'm planning on showing my Discord soon, and I'll give them all the tips. Anyways, I don't want to jump too soon. It's not crazy, but we're cooking. It's very good signs. And the reason why I'm doing so well is because my AOV, my average order value, is so good. I fucking cooked the offer. The offer that I have is insane. Now, look, I've turned a product that I can sell for $30, $40, and then I'm getting, my AOV is probably $60, $70, $80. Probably I'm getting orders of $100 plus. Because first of all, the product kind of makes sense to buy quantity, and then it just I made a good offer. I made a good offer to buy a bundle set that, everyone just comes in, they're not going to buy one. They buy this bundle set for $100. And then I've added a bunch of add-ons, package protection. I added free gifts, but that doesn't increase the perceived value. So I can charge more for that. I'm gonna add a product, another product bundle or a product upsell when they go to the cart. That makes sense, right? This weekend, because right now we're Thursday. The shipping, bro. I'm. Here's a little trick. Here's a little sauce. So for the shipping, what I've done was I have 3 shippings. I have one at $4, one at $6, and one that's free. Okay, so for free they have to get $100 order, which some people do. And the way I name them is good. So I have for the first two $3 and $5. Let's say it's around that. I have 30%. So the first one, 30% carbon neutral shipping, and then the $5 one is 100% carbon neutral shipping. And you're probably like, what the fuck is that? Yeah, I did a bit of research, and carbon neutral shipping is kind of for the environment. It's a healthier thing, and especially for this target a lot of them probably care for this earth and global warming and stuff like that, right? So like that extra $2, because they see that the regular shipping, that's $3, it's 30% carbon neutral. I'm like, oh fuck. They're like, oh, it's only 30%, but then they have just an extra $2. It's 100%. But so it's just like a free $2 every order, So like just these little things I've added just to, turn this $30 product into like AOVs of $100 orders, and it's allowing me to be so profitable. Like I just showed you, I got like what 5-6 sales, and my revenue is $450. It's insane. So offer is so important because now it allows me to, even with like my cost per action is good today. But like yesterday, my cost per action wasn't the best, but I was still very profitable because of all the shit, right? If people were just buying one, I wouldn't be profitable, right? So this is what's making me profitable. Now, what I'm working on is just pumping creatives. I did a lot of optimizing the website, doing better images, better offer. The way I showed the offer, I changed, like yesterday midday, like really helps. But I did my optimization. Now it's fine. Basically, I just need to pump creatives, right? So right now, I have 2 campaigns running. I have my original one that's pumping basically all my sales, and then I launched a new one today, which is like iterations of like the winning ad. What I'm gonna do tomorrow, though, I'm kind of gonna go all in tomorrow, to see like if this product is really it. I'm gonna duplicate the original campaign twice, so I'm gonna have 3 dupes of the original campaign that's basically bringing me all the sales. I'm gonna launch a new campaign of testing images because I'm testing videos, so I'm gonna do images, and then I'm also gonna launch a Thanksgiving sale campaign. So what I'm gonna do is take the best creative, and only because since I have one, what I'm gonna do is do an iteration, like a small tweak. So I'm gonna have 2 creatives, put them in one campaign, and what I'm gonna do is have this Thanksgiving campaign. So basically, what I'm gonna do is at the CTA of the video, I'm gonna change it to Thanksgiving sale. All the copywriting for like the primary text, the headlines of the Facebook ad, all Thanksgiving sale. And then I'm even gonna make a new landing page, and instead of having my original Black Friday offers, I'm gonna have in the title of the product Thanksgiving sale, product name. I'm gonna have Thanksgiving, like everything targeted towards this offer, right? So yeah. So tomorrow's like I think 6 campaigns around I'm gonna have up and running, which it's gonna be pretty expensive, but hopefully, obviously, 1K day incoming. I think today, what am I at? 400? I think I'll be like right under, maybe like 800 by the end of the day, assuming, but or like 700 around. But tomorrow, if it all goes well, 1K day, easy on the 3rd day, just start scaling. But yeah, I'm learning. I've learned a lot through my experience. Like last time I had a winner, I fucked it up because I didn't know. Now I know. Creatives. And it's especially that this product is really new to the market. That's another thing why I think it's doing well. No one's doing this. Like no one even knows about it, right? I just found it and it just made sense. I connected the dots. All the requirements that I have for a winning product that I follow, all of my Discord, I followed it. And to be honest, now it's just a creative game. Now I'm just pumping creatives, and this product doesn't have a lot of creatives. Like, I think 0. So I have to be unique, but I have ideas that I'm gonna do that are allowing me to make good creatives. That's why I think it's like a kind of like a barrier to entry. A lot of people see like there's no creatives, be like, fuck it. I'm gonna come up with ideas, how to make creatives without even ordering the product yet. I'm gonna order the product to make my own UGCs with my family members as the actors. When I hit like 1K day, probably like 3 days straight. If I have that, then I'll order the product right away. But for now, I'm cooking creatives without the product. I have unique ways to make them, and I'm very excited. I'll keep you updated. And as always, of course, if you want to know more about this store, or if you want to just connect with people that are doing these numbers, or even better, obviously, these numbers are not the best. Or if you just want to connect with people, partner, whatever it is, check the link below, my Discord. Trust me, a G community. I've met all my gangsters in there. All the people I trust with my fucking heart, all in there. And I'll see you at